Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. This is MASDIO Light Up Tree by Apula. So this is a single sculptural stunning beauty art piece that replaces just about everything you would keep on your nightstand. It is a sleek lamp with a thin cherry wood shade and brightness that can be smoothly adjusted via touch control on the base. The sleep mode setting will even turn it off automatically after 30 minutes, so you don't have to worry about falling asleep with the lights on. The lamp base also an integrated wireless charging pad, so you can control your phone without a wall charger and without having to apply an extra pieces. This sleek and beautiful piece has a wireless receiver already built into it. So all you need to do is pop on your phone and it's ready to charge wirelessly. This gorgeous charging lamp even comes with a built-in neodymium Bluetooth speaker. Just pair device with the lamp and play your favorite music wirelessly. So let's go ahead and unbox this. Let me give you guys a 360 view of the box. This one is 数之光 in Chinese. And this one is made in China. You can visit their website, masdio.net. And this one is the US version. I guess they have Australia, Europe, Japan, and UK. Different voltage. And it says good night more than wireless lifestyle. Here is the barcode. So on the front you have the picture of the tree of light. It's kind of weird. It says tree of light here, and then on this one it says light up tree. So, and on the top it says tree of light again. Go ahead and unbox this. Yeah, put it upside down. Come with this user manual, 说明书. I'm not sure why over here it says light of tree instead of tree of light, so. So it show you some kind of specs. So there's a play and pause button, which is on the top. Long press for Bluetooth. 2 is a LED light. Then the third one is a wireless charging pad. And then 4 is a controller for your dimming control. It's a touch. Number 5 is a power socket, and then 6 is the charging indicator light. 7 is the Bluetooth indicator light, and then 8 is the volume down, or you get change to a previous track or songs by long press. Number 9 is the volume up, or it is when you press a long press is for the next songs. And this is Chinese, 中文. This is Japanese. And here's your warranty and support. This one's retail about $199, and come with this AC to DC adapter. Check out the voltage. It's 100 volt to 240 volts, so it works for international. Unless you gotta change your adapter. 50 to 60 hertz, 0.6 amp. Output is 5 volt, 3.5 amp. And it is made in China. Okay, let's go ahead and get into the lamp. Wow, look at that. So nice. So this is a cherry wood right here. It's like a pretty thin layer. Here's your wireless charging pad. Your power LED, and the dot is for the brightness. By just touch, make it brighter or less bright on your tree of light. And you got this nice chrome finish, tree looking. And here's your speaker right there, as you can see. And on the bottom has the label, say light of tree. So either tree of light or light of tree. Got this this rubber feet, so it doesn't scratch your nightstand. And then here is the plug-in port. You got the MASDIO brand right here. So the buttons for the skip track and everything, it is hidden. So I will need to plug this one in to show you guys. So there's a Bluetooth indicator light over there, which is a LED light. And you got the volume down and up. Okay. So this is the play and pause for to control your playlist or your song, and long press for the Bluetooth to sync it. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like this video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. I will do a review of this product for the next video, so stay tuned. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.